John from Lake City, Michigan, has problem with his doors.
Yeah, it was these doors, Tom, that he installed 3.5 years ago. Did a nice job, too. But I like the brickwork in front of the place, the way it's kind of up on a slope like that. It's kind of cool looking. Mm-hmm. John writes, about 9 months ago, water started dripping inside the downstairs sliders and window. But only when the wind blows against the top siding, the doors on the sliding doors up top. He says, I think water is getting in the upper doors, running down between the brick and the sheathing. Now, one contractor, Tom, wants to remove the decking and use sealant and then reinstall the decking. He said, shouldn't we instead just remove the doors and reflash them and see if that does the trick?
Yes. I don't know how to say it. If you could only call Ideal Roofing. Here's the problem, and I'll guarantee you what happens. At first, it doesn't show up. And then as water starts to leak in, little holes start to get bigger, and it takes a while. There's a thing called a door pan. It has to be custom made. Before you install the doors, you have a company in Houston, would be Ideal Roofing, that used to do mine, and they custom make the door pans. They set everything in the rough opening. It's all flashed. Sealant is not a permanent answer. If you can find a little hole, it's a little temporary, but he needs door pans, and I'll guarantee you when they pull those doors out, he doesn't have any.
Aha. So it's
simple. He just needs someone to put door pans in.
There it is. He's worried about, Tom, is those are custom doors, cost him about $2,000 a lick. Can they get those in and out okay?
If they're good and careful. Everything can go in and out okay if you know what you're doing.
There's your Zen for today, boys and girls. All right, do you have a question? Well, send it in and an answer will come out, no matter how careful you are sending it to us. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom button, fill it out, send it in, and we'll answer it in a video just like this that we post on our YouTube channel, our Facebook page, and our website. Post a new one every day.